So we're here to do the grand opening of an exciting project, 40 Yonge Street, which is 23 units of much needed, amazing affordable housing that's going to contribute to, the solutions that many Winnipeggers need and deserve. Decent, safe, affordable homes for the long term so that they can thrive. That is a bit of our motto at Raising the Roof, how to set people up for success.
We completely gutted and restored it into a beautiful 23-unit apartment building. So people who are currently experiencing homelessness really need that long-term, safe, stable, affordable housing.
When our team of RBC Mortgage Specialists heard about the Raising the Roof project here in Winnipeg, we immediately wanted to support and be engaged. We knew welcome baskets would be a nice gesture for the new families moving into 480 Yonge Street, and my team took the time to curate 24 baskets with great care.
So it's really going to give them that real welcome, that they aren't just moving into an apartment, it's not just a unit, but that there's people behind them that really care. They're supporters like the people at RBC who have really taken that time and effort to make something nice to really welcome them into a home.
It's about ensuring every family feels welcomed and supported from the moment they receive their keys, and our gift helps them make their house feel like a home.
To have other people around them that also care about them and that they can have community with, it's going to be life-changing.